Here we're going to take a look at the wire stripper for the small wires that we're going to have to strip. And you can see here that this particular wire stripper is the Klein Tools model 11046. Some of you have this model, I believe, and then I sent a different model to a couple others of you because they ran out of this Klein model, but they're essentially the same. I checked to make sure that the range of wire gauges that it could cut were the same, and it is the same. And this stripper is for stranded wire, which is appropriate because we're using stranded wire throughout the whole system, not solid wire. Stranded wire is better for various different purposes for our application. So this is very simple. You can see there's a range of wires in here. On the left side, you can see 16 through 26, and that's American wire gauge, or AWG. And most of the wire sizes that we have in our system are 22 gauge. All right, so you can see the square millimeters on the other side, but I'm going to be referring mostly to AWG because that's what most of the equipment that I've sent pre-wired, it all has wires that were manufactured here in the US. And if you look at a cable, you can tell there's always a marking on the cable that indicates the wire size inside. So this is a 2-conductor 22 gauge cable, for example, part number 1172C. So this is very simple. This is also a cutter, by the way. So it's for stripping and cutting also. So if we want to strip the black wire, we can cut off a piece, then find 22 gauge, and then just strip it off like that, and make sure that none of the individual strands was cut. If it was cut, then you use too small of a gauge. And by the way, American wire gauge runs in reverse, so actually a smaller number is larger wire and a larger number is a smaller wire.